Nature on the west coast is breathtaking. Time slows down and helps to find a peace. The Irish landscape contains plenty of colors and shades. There might be a cloudy or rainy sky, but still, with a little bit of sun, every stone and clump of grass starts to look like a magical object. The west of Ireland is great for many reasons. For me, it's mainly because of the nature. The views of the hills and the uncountable bays around the coast are just stunning. There is always something new to discover. In clump, there are 365 islands, one for each day of the year. Staring at the Atlantic Ocean, the sunset, the waves, the region makes you feel like you are heading to the edge of the world. You may even be lucky enough to see whales, seals, dolphins, or basking sharks. If you like peace and the possibility of rain doesn't bother you, this place is just perfect for you. I haven't explored every spot in this region yet, but I can already see how amazing the West Coast is.